Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a microwave poached egg. This is quick and easy and you can do it too. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to need a cup and some water. That's about half a cup of water. Now we're gonna add in our lovely egg. As you've seen, we've added our egg. Now we'll add in a pinch of salt. And we'll take this to our microwave and cook it up. As you've seen guys, we've put this in our microwave for 1 minute and let's see the final result. Okay, we're gonna take our spoon and just scoop out our egg. This is our final egg guys. Let's open it up. Oh, look at that. Just 1 minute and it looks amazing. Yep. So guys, there's no reason for you to say, oh, I'm too lazy to make an egg. This is quick and easy and you can just get it done within 1 minute. I'll see you guys next time on another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment for me. Tell me what you guys think and if you've tried it already. Thank you again. Bye.